So we put some cheese inside.
Hello guys! Magandang araw! So for today's video po, papunta po kami sa bahay kubo ni Shin, Province Life. At ayan na po, pababa na po kami at may nakasulubong po kami na native chicken. At ayan na, malapit na kami makarating sa bahay nila doon na bigla akong sinabihan ni George na pwede raw ba siyang mauna. Sa babaw? Walay tao diha?
Pero yung mamaraguro.
Okay. At sa part na ito, kailangan pa naming tumawid sa ilog para makarating sa bahay kubo ni Shin. Ganito talaga ang buhay probinsya. At ayan si George, feel na feel niya talaga ang agos ng tubig. At sa part na ito, may nakita kaming balon na napakalinaw ng tubig. Talagang mapahanga ka sa ganda ng kalikasan nito. At sa part na ito, malapit na kami makarating sa bahay kubo ni Shin, Province Life. At may nakita po kami na tanim na okra. Hindi ko po alam kung sa kanila Shin ba ito or sa kapitbahay po nila. Pero ang sobrang dami guys, tingnan nyo po ang taba-taba ng okra nila. At ayan na po, ilang hakbang na lang at makarating na tayo sa bahay kubo ni Shin. Si George naman parang sanay na walang kahirap-hirap ang pagpunta rito. Ayan na po, nandito na po kami sa bahay kubo ni Shin, Province Life.
Hi, Dad. How you doing?
Hello! Ayan guys, nauna sila ng konti sa amin. Hi, Shin!
How are you guys? Welcome here.
Thanks!
Hi, George.
Welcome to aming school.
Nakatapos ko lang talaga gawin yung restaura dito na side.
Yeah, ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga.
Okay lang.
Yes, ang ganda ng bahay kubo ni Shin.
That's nice.
Oh, thank you, George.
At ayan na po, nagsimula na po silang magkudkod ng buko. Si Donna at saka yung kapatid niya at yung mga pinsan niya. Hi Donna! Okay lang.
Pagod ba kayo?
Hindi naman masyado.
Ito naman sa iba.
Oo,
Tapos sa may lubong. George, open the door.
ayan na po. Dot dari Shin, uy!
Yes.
Super ganda.
Mga bata.
At saka mahangin.
Sobrang presko ng amoy dito, Rose. Malalanghap mo talaga.
Wag na tayong
Magkaroon din kayo ng ganito, no?
soon, hopefully. Wag na tayong umuwi, dito na lang tayo.
Pwede.
Yan. Open na ang lagusan ng Encantadia.
Donna is so strong.
So guys, hi George. Yan, kung sa dito kasi nga nagbuko kami. Invite namin siya kanina. Ayan. Okay na yung galan, Rose? Okay naman. Okay ba po yun? Okay. Ayan guys, magtipla na sa... Made for being those people here, stay here is always vlogging. Wow.
Vlogger house.
What is that?
Vlogger.
Yeah, yes.
All purpose ang kunain yun. All purpose ko yun.
But also Donna, Shin, Denise, Rose is the beginner.
And do, still planning, still thinking.
Yeah, still thinking at it.
But yeah, this is the jungle vlogger house.
Yeah.
This house for vlogger.
Looks tasty.
This is like Talo-Talo now.
Yeah.
Something like that. Something like that.
Something like that.
Cheese kasi nga
Butter egg.
dumi yung kamay ko kasi ako pala yung naghiwa ng niyog.
So we put some cheese inside of this dessert. Wait.
So yun guys, check na natin dahil natapos ko sila doon na. Okay na ba yun doon?
Cheese na lang yung kulang na
Okay.
lagay.
Wow, ang sarap. Pulang tubig yan, di ba? Puro ano lang.
May tubig pero kunti
Konti.
lang. Pang ano ba, sabaw-sabaw.
Okay.
Kung tawagin sa amin in
Then si
Bisaya.
George na yung naghiwa ng cheese. Wow.
Cheese! Escudero.
What is escudero?
The last name of cheese.
Oh! So here you look.
I'm professional mango chef.
It's okay.
Sin! Hi, best.
Hello!
My two best.
First honor with second honor with average of 92%. With highest honor with average of 96%. With the full Audi. Yes, over there.
Why? Because it needs to be colder.
Yes, in
Sa Bukidnon po.
also in Bukidnon.
So ngayon guys, Donna kumuha siya. Unsa na, Bebs? Uy, kasayang ba?
Wala naman eh, kanang nadaan. Tapos ituho na lang siya.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Na-harvest naman ako pero pinakasako mag-duty.
Oh? Yes, guys, nandito na po kami sa ilog.
Yeah, like that. Something that's good. I just want you to run and enjoy and
So we are about to play some kind of game. What is this game, Rose?
Butter eggs.
Butter X?
Like slippers.
You need to prepare the slippers. Like example this, you need to prepare. And you need to, like they will throw you some slippers and you need to that way. Hindi kay likay.
I don't have any idea. I don't understand
But you
the
need to
rules.
try
I will
it
see.
because
Yeah,
that one
the
is
best,
so nice.
the best way to understand is to try on your own. So we're going to try now.
Pwede magkati kanang street ano? It's me. Why you so not destroy it? You need to close and make sure to
Go back there, George.
come here. Okay, okay, go. Sila, go, you.
Start naman ano?
Press stop. Can you press stop?
Ano lang, isa. Walang pakal kaya, ano? Ang bilin.
Now it's time to clean ourselves.
So enjoy. You like the floor? But at the third time,
Real.
Okay.
Finally, maybe we'll get enough views and followers.
Bamboo. Kumuha kami ng bamboo para sa fence namin.
Yeah. Pat?
Katong gagmay. Oh,
Ito lang, oh.
katabang na lang.
Denise, film us. Denise is expert to cut bamboo trees.
Yeah.
He's going to show us. I thought, because I'm the beginner, I thought that's is useful, but it's useless.
Ah,
You need to use machete.
so ngayon guys, nandito na po kami sa
Para na lang kung ano, kaning way tunog.
bamboo.
Come here.
Hmm?
Ikas. Eh, kanito dito.
Aka na lang oh.
Ito na lang siya.
Here.
Pagdala ninyo.
Ano man namo na, ito nga una mo.
Come here, closer. Come here.
Intiyohan ninyo daan.
Ah.
Sa punto ka taas.
This nice long stick.
What the size?
Maybe that's enough, no? If we can cut it on the
Yeah.
half.
Problema magbuak sa ang problema na to kanang iyang kataas nyo.
Katingo na una ko diha oh.
Ha?
Diha siya oh. Sa ikopat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's cut there no.
Hindi lang, ako lang. Dito lang nato siya ako ano. Sa gawas.
Can I try?
Sige, dapat try na siya ha again.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Careful.
Ay, so many now. Come closer. Come here. Thank you.
Hindi lang nato siya buwakin karon
So
no.
many ants.
Dili oh.
Mm.
Oh, there is ants. Oh.
Para di lang kalusot ang mga kwan. Pero
Mm. Yang uban kami to naksong kortina.
Nice.
So I cut this no.
Ah, so many ants. Oh. Yeah,
dugay ka no?
Hmm?
Dugay. Dugay. Sandago
but
na lang.
it's not really good.
Pambaka mo gud
No need.
No need?
Yeah.
So Dennis is going to teach me how to do this. Using wood stick. So you slice the bamboo.
Move. You know how Dean is smart.
Maybe I try now.
Try daw siya din.
Can I try? Yeah.
And me also, I want to try. Careful, ha? Oh, push.
Rose, she want to try, but it's hard. But for Filipina girl, it's not really hard. Professional. How many times did you do this? How many times have you done this before?
First time.
First.
Dito na.
Nice job, Rose.
Kani pagkatilahan sa katulon.
1, 2, 3.
3 lang na.
3. So, pag i-3 mo, upat na siya kabuo.
Tulo. Ano ni sila?
Dako, ito ba din? Nagpad?
Ano?
How many? 3 or 4?
I don't know. But this also we cut, no?
Yeah. Sige, 3 na lang. Okay, 3. Setting niya, it's...
Okay na ni siya.
Strong things.
Yan guys, malapit na kami matapos. Kunting tiis na lang. Tapos na. Salamat sa iyo, Dennis.
Come here. This is how you clean bamboo stick. But if you're
Your turn, George.
professional, it's not so easy. But bamboo pretty easy,
Yeah.
but not really.
Saan niya nito? Ako lang hitan.
Sige.
So what? Let me just try.
We don't have time.
Yeah,
Already dark.
but I need to try.
You tried already.
I'll try. Like this, no?
Yes.
Right. At least I do one.
Go, George.
So this is my first time working with machete.
Careful. My God.
Yeah,
Ayan ang guniti din. Kadlok ba niya, oy?
maybe later I will become more professional. But for now, it is what it is. Is it okay
Yeah.
or not really?
It's okay.
What do you say, Dennis?
Sige.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. No, cut first in the center. Yeah, this.
No need. Why you teach me? Ano na ginano, no? Pila pa. Ay. So ayan guys, natapos na po kami sa aming bamboo stick. At maraming salamat po kay Dennis na tinulungan niya po kami. Oh, you're so strong, George. So let's go.
Let's go.
Ayan.
Finally, we have enough bamboo.
Yeah.
You want to make selfie? So put it.
So ayan na guys, pauwi na po kami.
Dong, alis ako dong kay mag ano ko video ko kay George dong. Dong, ano siya. Si Dennis na